Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to delete screenshot in your Android phone. So at first, if I take a screenshot, now if you want to delete this screenshot, just open up your gallery app. Now from here tap on albums and then look for screenshot album. Here it is, then tap on screenshot. Now from the screenshot album, you can find here all the screenshot. If you want to delete this screenshot, just tap here and then tap on delete. Then tap on move to recycle bin and it's done. Now the screenshot has been deleted successfully. Also, if you want to delete your all the screenshot at the same time, then just touch and hold it and then tap on all, then tap on delete, then tap on move to recycle bin again and it's deleted successfully. Now if you go to home screen and then take a screenshot again. Now if you swipe down, you can also delete this screenshot from your control panel. Then just tap on delete, then tap on delete again. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your screenshot. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.